Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Easy Maths Learning. I am Shayantan Dhar, the owner and teacher in charge at easymathslearning.com. Today I am going to explain you how to find out the lowest common multiple of two or more numbers by division method. As we know, multiple means a particular number which can be divided by the particular number whose multiple we are considering without leaving any remainder. So, lowest common multiple of two or more numbers means the number which the smallest number which can be divided by those numbers considered without leaving any remainder. So first let us consider how to find out LCM of two numbers. So the two numbers we are considering first is suppose 15 and 20. So first we will see how to find out the LCM of 15 and 20. We will follow the normal division method, and during the division method what we will do is basically follow the prime factorization. So for that, first we need to see whether there is any even number or not among these two. We see yes, there is an even number, that is 20. So we will start dividing by the lowest prime number, that is 2, which is also an even number. And we will continue to divide by 2 as long as there is an even number in the quotient. 15 is not divisible by 2, so 15 will remain as 15 here. 20 is divisible by 2, so 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now as I said, we will continue dividing by 2 as long as there is a even number in the quotient. So we see there is 10, which is an even number, so we again divide by 2. 15 remains as 15, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now what we see, the numbers in the quotient are 15 and 5. We see both are multiples of 5. But before we move into 5, we will have to see whether 15 and 5 is divisible by 3 or not. Any of 15 and 5. Because 3 is the next prime number after 3. We see yes, 15 is a multiple of 3. We will now divide by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. It will remain as 5. Now we get 5 and 5. So we will now divide by 5. So how will we find the LCM of 15 and 20 now? We will multiply these divisors and get the LCM. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 5 is 60. So the required LCM is this means that 60 is the lowest number which can be divided by both 15 and 20 without leaving any remainder. So 60 is the LCM of 15 and 20. Now, as I said, I will be showing you how to find out the LCM of 3 or more numbers. Let me show you that. So let us consider three numbers, that is 15, 24, 30. So we will follow the same division method. We are choosing the division method because this is the simplest and the easiest process to find the LCM. So as we divide, we will first see whether there is any even number or not. We see here there are two even numbers, that is 24 and 30. So we will first divide by 2 and continue dividing by 2 as long as we get a quotient which is even number. 15 is not divisible by 2, so it will remain as 15. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now since there is 12 an even number, I again divide by 2. 15 remains as 15. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I again divide by 2. Now 15 are multiples of 5, but as I said, we will check whether there is any multiple of 3 or not. We see yes, all the numbers present here are multiples of 3, so we will divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 again 5. So there is no more multiples of 3 now. So we will now divide by 5 because we see there are two 5s here. 1 will remain as 1 because 1 is whatever number we divide with here now, 1 will remain as 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, 1 and again 1. Now we will multiply these divisors to get the LCM of 15, 24 and 30. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 times 5 is 120. So required LCM is so we can say that 120 is the lowest number which can be divided by 15, 24 and 30, all the three numbers, without leaving any remainder. Hope you all understand this process, you find it easier. So I would request you, if you like this video, to like it, share it and also subscribe to my channel of Easy Maths Learning. If you want to join my tutorial class, you can contact me directly on my mobile or WhatsApp as given on my website and also in the comment section of this particular video. Thank you very much.